Hey guys, day 4, 2 days left. Today we'll build AI agent. Let's go, let's do it now. Okay, let's do it. So today we'll create some skills. I'll tell you what skill is, and we'll create our own skills. And yeah, let's see. So first of all, skills is something that you're creating when you use something 3+ times. I mean, when you do the same task 3+ times. So skill is basically something repeatable, something that you've done before once, and you want this to be repeated for a lot of times. Not everything needs skill, to be honest, but if you will make something once, you will use it forever, for sure. Now we will do research skill, because that's something that we want to repeat more than 3 times. And for that, we'll go to Claude folder, we'll create new folder, we'll call it skills. Then we'll go inside, we'll create one more folder, we'll call it research. In this folder, we will create skill.md file. Let me create new file, skill.md. Let me check. Yep, it's inside. So now I will drop a file that describes everything that this skill needs to do. So what we have here, we have name, research, we have description. So research a topic on the web with sources. Use when the user says research or look up or find information about or invokes research. What does this mean? This means if I will write, I want to do some research about blah blah blah, Claude will read this first of all before it will read this. It will read every name and description of skills in my Claude folder. And then if my Claude will find that this skill is useful for this particular request, it will upload it and it will use it. Now after this line, it describes what it do in steps 1, 2, 3 and rules what it use to just like use it. Okay, let's go and do some research and let's ask AI to... Okay, let's do some research here. Let's ask AI the top 5 AI tools for solopreneurs in April 2026. Okay, that's unknown comment. Research. Yeah, top 5. Okay, yeah. That's it. Let's see. Let's wait. From our perspective, so first of all, it should to ask me if something not clear, right? So then second one, it should to use web search. So familiar for us before. You see it using web search. Asking us, can he go to this website? I will give him yes. Let's do. Okay, so it used 5 sources to find this answer for me. It will use web fetch just to get some information, as you see, fetch. And then it will identify 3 most important findings and it will write a structured summary in this format, this specific format. And then 6, it will save it into output. You see, it just created this folder and it will tell me where the file is saved. Okay, so that's our skill. Let's go, let's see, let's wait when it finished. Okay, super cool. So now we have skill. It finds us some information in this format for us. We have something here like key findings, some sources, some like what this means for founders, Pick one general AI, one automation tool, blah, blah, blah. A default stack has emerged. Make.com is displacing, non-technical founders, ship product solo via cursor. Okay. Lovable, blah, 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 blah. And wasted $100 for subscriptions. Okay, cool. So we have some information here. It's cool. Let's do another skill now. Let's do skill that writes information post for you to post it to social media. Okay, guys, let's go and create our second skill that will help us to post written by AI text that will look like text that you wrote. What we're gonna do, first of all, we need some samples. I did this work before, so I will just copy paste it for me. I have 5 posts here, so you take 5 to 10. If you don't have any post that you wrote before, just write it now in your style. So let's do it. I'll copy paste it and I'll create one more folder in skills folder. I will call it voice. I will create my skill.md file here and I'll paste it. Okay, I have some skill here. I'll just copy paste it. It will call voice. So description, it will write text in the user's personal voice. It will go to LinkedIn directly. Usually we have some issue here, right? So if we ask Claude or Gemini or ChatGPT write me LinkedIn post, it looks like AI generic post and it looks like something that you don't really want to read and you don't really want to post because that's not you and that's something that AI wrote and it not really looks like you wrote it, right? So we will solve this issue right here with this skill. Style rules, short sentences, no long paragraphs, specific numbers, examples, blah, 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 blah. So you can read it here. One more thing that I will add here. Okay, one more thing I will add here. Don't use this symbol. So it calls M dash, right? So it's big symbol and when you see this, you understand that's AI, right? So we don't want that. We'll use short version of that. Use short version of that symbol. Okay, great. So then we'll write voice samples here. So it's like, it's first one, and then you're gonna have some second one here, and then third one, and then fourth, and then one more. You will ask me what to do with the images and videos and like any kind of content. And I'll tell you, let's solve problems one by one, right? We need to write text as a first step, like good text. And after this, we can add anything to it. Okay, so now let's test it out. We have this voice skill and we'll write a LinkedIn post about why founders should learn AI in 2026. Let's see how it works for us now. Let's wait. Okay, we just got some result here and I don't really like it fully. Let me change some style rules here. So short sentences, no long paragraphs. I don't like it. An idea per line. Let's do it like that. Open with a concrete observation, not a hook. No emojis, blah, blah, blah. Use voice samples to write posts. Okay, cool. So let's try again. Okay. So now it looks better for me. It's using also emojis. I like it. but it's too long. Let's write additionally, ask user what size of text should be at the end. Cool, let's try one more time. Okay, before it writes, it asks me, do I want short, medium, or long? I want medium, yeah. So now you see this skill works better for me because I have not so long text. I have this with the emoji. I'm writing it with emoji. It's using my text as base. And yeah, it's good. I like it. I like it. That's it for today. What we've done. So we did this research skill. We did this voice skill. Next lesson will be about combining that and creating agent basically to post it to social media as final result. Thank you so much, guys. It was a pleasure for me to tell you a little about AI and how it works, and it's good stuff here. Let's see you later.